here, 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 and there. Now you're ready to play follow the leader. This is how you play follow the leader. You follow me. Got it?
No.
Got it?
No.
Good. This is pathetic. Left, right, push up. Left, right, push up. Come on, a little more encouragement. Come on, say it a little louder this time.
Okay.
Ready? Left, right, push up. Left, right, push up. Okay, now you do it. Nice and quiet, okay?
Okay. Left, right, push up.
Left, right, push up. Left, right, push up. Left, right, push up. Left, right, push up. Left, right, push up. This is how you do it. Okay. First thing you do, you dribble up, nice and slow, and then you hit the square and make it. Okay?
That's not easy enough. Okay, here I go.
Double dribble. Come on. Stop double dribble. One hand. Fair enough. Fair enough. Now you're gonna stand up.
Okay.
I'm gonna go smaller.
You're going down.